How's it going, everybody? Hope you're all good. Today I'm going to be showing you our recent trip to Ingleton Waterfalls. For those of you that don't know, Ingleton Waterfalls is in the Yorkshire Dales, so it's about an hour and a half away from Manchester. The walk itself is between 2 to 4 hours, depending on how quickly you walk and how often you stop to take photos or take a rest. Entry into the trail is £8 for adults and £4 for children. It's definitely worth it though, and you don't have to pay for parking, just entry into the trail itself. Anyways, in this one, I'm going to try my best to shut up and just let you enjoy it. So, right at the start of the walk, before any of the actual waterfalls, you come across this tree that's basically just full of coins. There's everything in there from pounds and pennies to euros and cents, and it's just something a little different, a little bit cool. A little bit further down, we actually decided to try shove one of our own coins in there and see if it's still there when we come back in the future. So this is the main attraction and the biggest of all the waterfalls, Thornton Force. Definitely the best place to get your selfies and other good pictures. You can even carefully make your way all the way around to the underneath of the waterfall for what is a pretty unique experience. Do be careful though, because it is slippy and there are also some sharp rocks.
Don't touch it.
Look at that. Freezing. Tell them what you did.
There's always one person that has to be a smart ass, isn't there?
You see that bit? Yeah, that bit right there. Well, I was trying to stand in the middle of that for a picture, and me being me, sort of casually just jumped, and basically it's really slippy, and I fell really hard. Thankfully, I didn't hit my head or anything like that, and I just had to walk around cold, wet, and slightly embarrassed for the next hour or so. But yeah, please don't be as daft as me. The signs are definitely there for a reason.
some water? Okay. Not interested. Go on, show us your best Rocky Balboa.
What do you think, everyone? How did you do? I'm going to be generous. I'm going to score it as 7.5 out of 10. So unfortunately the second half of the trail isn't as exciting, but there's still some picturesque scenery, and all in all, it's definitely worth it. Anyway, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.